Hi once again. Welcome back to my tutorial. Today we're going to see the creating and opening a workbook. This is a continued part. This is the part 3 of my tutorial. Within the part 2 of the tutorial, we have seen the introduction to Excel. That is a continued part we have seen. So today we'll see how to open a workbook and how to create a workbook. So within this Excel files are called as a workbooks. As I said in the previous class, there will be sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These will be called as a workbooks. All together will be called as a workbooks. Always we need to start Excel with a new workbook. So if you want to start a Excel and you want to make a one file name, so we need to start with a one new workbook. Sometimes if you have already have a workbook, then we can open the workbook and edit. Think that we already have some workbook and we are already working on it, then just we need to edit it means we can open that workbook and we can edit. If we don't have any workbook already created one, that time we need to go with the new workbook. Create a new blank workbook. So how to create a workbook? So first thing is we need to go to the backstage view. Within that we'll be having an option called new. So within that we need to select this new. We need to select, as my cursor is showing a new here within the backstage view. So then we need to select a blank presentation. So after creating that, there will be open a new workbook will open, then we can work on the new workbook. Create a new work from templates. What is this? What is the meaning of this? Create a new workbook from templates. Templates in the sense we'll be having already pre-worked templates like a business template, industry template, design sets, marketing template, presentation cards. These kind of templates will be already available. Whichever the template we want, think that I want a business template. Just we need to type business here. All the different kinds of business templates will be available here. We need to select that particular business template and we need to work on it. So we'll see how these kind of workbooks we have to create. We'll see practically these things. So this is how the workbook will be looking like. So we need to go to backstage view as I explained. So within this we have to click on new. So this will be a blank workbook and different kinds of formats will be there. First we need to click on a blank workbook. So this is how the blank workbook looks like. So if you want to have a different kind of templates which I have explained to you, so we need to click new, select a something different one like a family budget. Just click enter. It will search for the templates of family budget. See here, there is a different kinds of templates will be available on a family budget. Even it will show here like a budget 7 are there, charts related to 5 templates, monthly budget 3, annual budget 2, personal 2, analysis fund. This kind of thing will be there. I want this kind of format, so just I will select this one. After that it will show download size is 41. When you connect the internet, then only the templates will be coming. So just we need to click on create. So it creates a Smith family budget. The template will be creating. See, this is how the template looks like. Then we need to change the values. So this will be the available template it's showing here. So that's the reason if you want to change the values, you can change according to your values. This is how they're using the templates. That's readily available templates. If you want some other templates like a calculator, industry, these kind of things, if you want to search by industry, then just search industry. Again, different kinds of industry templates will be shown. It's searching for the templates. See here, industry templates are available. Industry in the sense contact list, employee attendance tracker, how the attendance will be there and how to track it, family photo calendar. See, within this industry it's showing 250. So this is how we need to work on different kinds of templates. Okay, so these are the different kinds of templates which are readily available. Compatibility mode. Sometimes we need to open the files which were created on folder on older versions, like as I said in the introduction class, we'll be having a Excel versions like 2003, 2007, 2010, 13. These are like a older versions. At present I'm teaching you the 2016 version. Think that some persons will not be having a 2016. They already created on 2007. Think that they are already using a 2007 version. They already created an Excel sheet, but they send to you by mail, but you want to open that 2007 compatible one, you want to open in your laptop or system, but that time the issue will come, like a compatibility issue will come. So that files when you open, it will not looks like a 2016, it will be like a some files will, some contents might be missing in that. So that time we need to change the compatibility. So how to change the compatibility, we'll see. When you open these types of workbooks, they appear in compatibility mode. See, there will be compatibility mode, that you need to just click on the compatibility mode, so it will converts that 2003 or 7 2010 workbook into a 2016 format. So that is a compatibility mode. So it means the older version will be get converted into a 2016 mode, the 2016 format. That is a compatibility mode. Okay, and one more thing, like how to open the workbook. As we are explaining the how to creating and opening a workbook. See, as I said, there's a new one. So how to open a workbook? So this first option will comes under open is a recent one. So recent in the sense, whichever the recent workbook was already working, it will show here. So if you want to pin this, just we need to click on this pin. So pin in the sense, it will be stick here. Just click. It's a pinned. This is also pinned. It will be sticked here only. Now, when you unpin it, when I open a new 20 again, that first 20 new opened will be there. But if I pin this, it will be sticked here only. Whenever I want, just click on web. Then a recent one, it will be always in a recent one if I pinned it. If I unpinned it, if I open again 20, that 20 will be available here. This will be moved down and shared with me. So you can share with other persons also by using shared with me OneDrive link. So as I explained in the introduction class regarding the OneDrive, just whatever we are saving in a OneDrive, we can open it by using a OneDrive. Just you need to click on sign in option, and then we need to click with a then we need to sign in with a Hotmail or whatever the mail IDs we are using for OneDrive. Just we need to work on it. Whatever we have saved in a OneDrive, we can open. And this PC, whichever the system I'm using at present, the local system, from there also we can open. See here, I already worked on many Excel sheets that we can see here. See here, so this we can open. See, I'm not done anything, so that's why it's not showing anything. If you have already some workbooks, then you can open that workbooks. Save. Whatever you are working on the workbook, you have to save it. That's the reason we need to click on save. And print. The print will be used for printing purpose. Share. These are all the things I already explained you related to this information in the introduction only. If you are new to my tutorial, then you can go back to my introduction tutorial, then you can see the remaining information which has provided already regarding the backstage view. So today's class is only related to creating and opening a new workbook. So this is done with my today's class. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.